Hi there, my name is Pierrick. I'm a Blender Foundation certified trainer, and I'm also the CG director at Atypic Studio, working on the game Nohara: The Conspiracy. On behalf of Richard Lico, Animation Sherpa, I had the pleasure to work on the Blender version of the Baqir character rig. You can get the rig for free by going onto Animation Sherpa and following the few steps on the screen. The Blender version of the rig is packed into a zipped file. Just unzip the whole file and double-click the Blender file to open the rig. All the character textures and shaders are already set up. To properly display the UI of the character rig, you will need to open the script editor, load the rig UI Python script, and press Run Script. Or I advise you to install the Bone Layer Manager add-on. For me, it's a mandatory add-on for my rigging and animation workflow developed by my buddy Finn. Just go into the documentation PDF provided with this character rig and click the link to his Gumroad page. You can download the add-on for free and then go into Edit Preferences, Add-on, Install, and just install from zip and activate the add-on. A new tab will appear in the end panel of the 3D view. This panel will give you access to the different rig layers, allowing you to display the bones for the arms, the legs, the torso, etc. Selecting the star icon bone on top of the head of the character will give you access to the custom properties such as the inverse kinematic to forward kinematic switch or masking tools. While this is not part of the workflow of Richard, this will allow you to start the animation in the rigging setup you prefer. The idea is to keep the rig as simple as possible, but with versatility. Most of these custom properties are self-explanatory. Whenever you will use the switch from inverse kinematic to forward kinematic, it will change your arm or legs behavior. You can choose whether your IK end are following the cog or main torso transformations, and you can choose for most of the features of the character whether you want them to follow the rotation of their parent or not. I've also added a last feature that I really enjoy, is to be able to mask the arms, the legs, or even the backpack, so that you can rig part of your character more clearly when animating. Finally, in the documentation you will find a link to the Wigglebone add-ons. This will allow you to add physics behavior to your rig. Since I've just rapidly tested it, I won't talk that much about it. The only advice I will give you is to set the stretching and the gravity to 0. This will avoid a lot of bugs I had during my tests. This is the end of this video. On behalf of Richard Lico and myself, I wish you the best with this character rig and I hope you will enjoy it. See you!